What's up, YouTube? And today we're doing Samsung versus Lego fidget. I know it's stupid, but after that I'm gonna do real fidget spinner versus Samsung. And if you hear Aiden saying stuff in the background,
tell me when to stop it.
Okay, then it's okay because we're gonna do Lego fidget spinner versus Samsung. So let's do. All right, time to do this.
It tried to break it. It didn't break it. It didn't break it. It broke. See? See?
What you get?
See?
I'm gonna use this.
Yeah. Break out!
Are you even looking at me?
Sorry.
Okay, well, got this thing out. I'm gonna put it in my phone. So, if you like this video, please put a big old fat thumbs up. And if you want more, stop putting your finger in front of the thing. And if you want more stuff with Samsungs and fidget spinners and phones and stuff, then put a big old fat, not put a big old fat thumbs up. Comment down below. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to join Team Science Shakers, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.